Hey booksters, some of you asked me what are the best financial book to understand finance as beginners. So here are my 5 recommendations. Number 1, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This classic teaches financial independence through the story of two dads. It emphasizes assets over liabilities and the importance of investing in real estate and business. Number 2, The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. It helps you to discover the surprising habits of everyday millionaires. This book highlights the significance of frugality, living below your means, and building wealth steadily. Number 3, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. It is a timeless guide on investing. Graham principle focus on value investing and risk management. It teaches how to approach stock market with rational and patient mindset. Number 4, Your Money or Your Life by Vicky Robin and Joe Dominguez. This book delves into the relationship between the money and life energy. It offers a 9-step program to transform your finance and achieve financial independence, leading to more fulfilling life. And number 5, The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. This book imparts financial wisdom through parables. It covers essential concepts like saving, budgeting, and wise investing using engaging stories from the past.